Welcome to part 3 of me trying out my lashes. I got this, bro. I got this. The last time I was trying, I noticed that it sticks when I put glue directly to my eye. So I decided to break all the rules, makeup rules. I know that you're supposed to put glue on the lash, but I also love to break rules, guys. I'm a bad girl, don't forget that. This is a glue right here. I have placed it on a surface, and then I'm going to use this pencil to apply here. I hope I do not regret. Pray for me, guys. Let's do this. You know, I want to walk around looking good and gorgeous, so I have to try this and do it successfully, no matter the odds. Oh my goodness, I don't feel like I'm doing the right thing. Oh my goodness, imeshika lash yangu. Oh no, what am I doing to myself, bro? And then I keep doing it after lamenting. It's literally burning me, guys. I'm just gonna put a lash immediately. Okay. You over here. So sorry guys, I didn't notice you can't see. What the hell is this, bro? What is this, bro? Why do I look sick now? Like, but you know, funny enough, I feel like it's sticking as compared to when I put the glue on my lash. It's sticking, but it's occurring very funny. Tunakumbuka ile kizungu yetu ya shule. It's occurring very funny. I was perceiving the clothes. Okay, it's giving. It's pioneering. Actually, I feel like it's perfect. I feel like that's the best thing to do, and I understand why, because this hair burning glue, watu hupaka kwanza and then now they place the wigs. So I guess that's the best thing I have. That's the best thing I have put into consideration when doing my lashes. Okay, babes. Okay. I feel like it's sticking. Does it look cute though? Amana scary. Mukwe scared like that, bro. Unanizoea for what? Alright. Now I'm gonna apply the other one. I hope it will turn out better than this one. You know, I'm actually feeling that uncomfortable. Unajuanga lash stick vizuri when you're feeling so very uncomfortable. Like, unasikia kama tu is like there's something on your eye, because there is. That's how I'm feeling. So that's how I know it may stick. Now let's apply the other one. Better make me proud, baby. Make me proud. You make me proud, baby. Okay, that's lash number 2, babes. Shall we do the magic? Okay, make me proud again, babes. Okay. Ooh. That one has stuck a little stickier. Like, I am totally feeling it. I even want to cry, bro. Why do I feel like crying and it's a lash? Nione kama imenisumbua kwa macho. Hey, mimi sitaki this nini. I don't want eye problems because of beauty, bro. And I'm already pretty. Like, do you guys believe that about yourself? Do you tell yourself how pretty you are as often as you can? If you don't, you need to, bro. You need to. Don't wait for anyone to tell you, and don't tell yourself that you're ugly. Imagine a mistake. But nikiblink hivi nasikia kauchungu hapa kwa nini. Bro, see the eyes, okay, bro. Woo! My girl, calm down, dear lash. Calm down, bro. Calm down, bro. Ooh, now we're talking, guys. Now I can pull up to like a big party and be like, yeah, my name is Nike. Yeah. And this is how I look like on a day-to-day basis. And you know, I'm not scared of you coming to me with your westernness, bro. Do you notice the difference between me without the lashes and me afterwards, bro? Can you see the difference? Me, I'll be working out like this now. I told you guys, ikikuwa successful, I'm gonna be walking outside like this every day. And it has decided to be successful, and so I'm gonna have to keep my own promise to myself. And so this is my new look, guys. Leo, actually, I'm going out with my sister Bridget. Yeah, she's a new character to this vlog, this lifestyle of mine. A whole new character, and she's a fun one, and she's literally the best person on the planet. You cannot convince me otherwise. You know, guys, something about me is that when I love hard, okay? Me sitakupenda hivi. And that's why, you guys, I keep posting about God. Na mnakwanga like kuna mtu ataona umepost about God that like this girl is so boring. No, bro, it's because I am so passionate about him. I am so passionate about my God, because he does the most for me, like, and I don't even deserve, because I have made some very bad decisions in my life, but he still loves me either way, and he spoils me like I feel like a whole new person when I put on lashes. It's because I am, though. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'll be doing another vlog later. Nikienda na Bridget to wherever we're going. We're going to have some fun. We're going to drink wine and have pizza, guys. And I don't know if I should wear this dress. Inakaa so churchy though. I look like some serious church girl. So whatever I will wear is a total surprise, guys. But that's it for this vlog, and stay peaceful, love God, subscribe, and you know, love yourself as well, babes. Yeah.